You can see we've got some shadows enabled in PC Crash 11.1, and you see those shadows are not only on the vehicles, but also being cast by the tree and by the bus stop over there. Now, the position of that light source is over here. Our sun is way up in the sky, about 2 kilometers up, point source. But we can put in sun position based on geography too. So you can see here I've got New York loaded in. If you click on the little link, you can see where that point is. And I've set a time and date. Calculate, shows that that's just slightly before twilight. If I click that, and then now it'll input that position and apply. So now you can see the sun is facing this driver. I've got the camera tracking my vehicle there. So you see it's getting shadows cast on it. There's our sun, way low in the sky. See, it's casting some shadows, long shadows there. Can adjust the intensity here if I want to light things up a little bit. So if I do a driver's view, then I can see where there's the sun right there. So if I have a carefully positioned camera, then I can see when the sun is actually going to be in my field of view. So there you go. That's using the solar position calculator in PC Crash 11.1.